So so I'm doing that. Hold on, someone's at the door.
You're good, brother.
This is what happens.
Right?
So yeah, hopefully it's just. Who is it? Who is it? Who is it?
Open up.
Someone's here, guys.
Staying alive over there, brother?
I just hit the panic alarm. Hold on.
Can't even see what that is. Bro.
What? I just called the cops on you, idiot. I didn't hear you. You didn't call me, text me, nothing. I'm on live. What the fuck are you doing? I did, but don't fucking do that with what's going on right now, dude. What?
What the fuck?
I'm not opening.
Door. Disarmed.
Say hi. Say hi.
Yeah, what's up, man?
This guy.
Holy shit, bro.
Please. No, I'm
You're
right.
telling me to be
I'm
quiet.
writing what I'm
Some
saying.
shit is gonna happen.
Say it. I'm writing what I'm saying.
I haven't even heard what you're saying. How are you?
About everything with my mom, everything. People threatening my life.
You have to update me.
You haven't seen my lives?
I just was watching right now.
All right. No, the ones before.
Dude. Damn, sorry about that. What are you gonna do, man? Are you gonna leave? Are you gonna fucking move?
Am I what?
Are you gonna leave? Are you gonna like move somewhere else?
Fuck yeah! I have my house for sale right now.
No way.
Yeah.
Good for you.
I'm gonna be out of here in 20 days.
Where are you gonna go? If you don't mind me asking.
I'm gonna go to Canada. So.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good.
Apparently, I'm an animal abuser. Well, does she look abused? Hi, baby girl.
Oh, how old is she?
How old is she? She's a little baby. Hi, my sweetheart.
She is a baby. Damn.
Hi, baby. You love your daddy? You love your daddy? I love you too. Animal abuser, right?
Dog. No, yeah, you're definitely looking like an animal abuser for sure. Nice. Well, how's your night going, man? What do you have to?
I am gonna work on some music.